Hi guys, we're getting ready for a chalk and sip. So we've got everything set up. Everything. We're expecting 20 to 25 ladies, maybe even 30. So all the tables are set up with everything that they need. Chalk paste, they need to select their transfers. And these are all the surfaces, Chalk Couture surfaces, repurposed surfaces, all kinds of surfaces that we're gonna have for them. Right there. Then here is the wine for the chalk and sip. There is some hibiscus tea. And this is the setup. Transfers for sale, paste for sale. Everything is available. There are some door prizes also for the participants. Right there. And then right here on this table, there's some little try me kits down there, some chalk paste singles. And then right here we have eggs, bunnies, small shadow boxes, tags, all kinds of tags of hot glue them so they can embellish. Over here we have some shadow boxes, some greenery little wreaths, some cutting board chalkboards. Then we have some Chalk Couture surfaces in here. We have some box board and bases, different surfaces. That's going to be our recording area. Right here we have things so they can embellish the things, whether it's farmhouse glam or it's a vintage shabby chic items. So they've got ribbon, buttons, all kinds of goodies in there. These have keys, all kinds of goodies in there. Here's another table. So this is it, you guys. We're getting ready. It's gonna be fun. It's 2:40 and the party starts at 6, so we're just getting everything ready. If y'all have any questions, let me know. Are you ready for your next chalking event? Let me know.